And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm in the computer room as you can see. Well, what you don't know is I just got back from the clinic. And I got, see it there? That's where the nurse stuck me. Where I got stabbed and innoculated. And I was also given that's right. I can prove I've been vaccinated. Poppy puts his money where his mouth is. Now it's up to you. Get vaccinated. Keep on wearing the mask. And for at least a couple more years, someone gets too close, beat him down to the ground with your walking stick. They try to arrest you, say, he tried to kill me. That's self-defensing. Maybe people will get the idea that we don't want to have them spreading their germs in our direction. So, go. Get vaccinated. Keep wearing the mask. And keep them strangers who are coughing and sneezing. You know they're rubbing up against every stupid Bubba and Bubette with the disease away from you. Stay safe or die. Good night from California.